Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is a great pleasure for me to say a few words about the Pakistan Society of Hepatology Congress from 23rd till 25th and the workshop which is happening on 22nd at the Sheikh Zayed Hospital. Professor Kashif Malik and his team have showed me the cases, and I'm proud to say that these are cases well selected for advanced gastroenterology, including EUS, ERCP, and more mundane cases of difficult colonoscopy and upper endoscopy. As far as the Congress is concerned, we all know the program is very robust. There is a very high class topics of discussion. There are topics as common as hepatitis B and C, which is a major issue in Pakistan, as well as NASH, which is a burgeoning problem in Pakistan, and the other issues of invasive radiology in terms of liver diseases as well as liver transplant. The team is of top level in the national level, as well as the world-renowned speakers who will be interacting live with the audience. So I'm proud to say that I'm part of this program, and we look forward to a very interactive and learning experience of this Congress. Thank you very much.